Hi stations, it's me Steven, and for today I will be interviewing our fellow students in here in CBS UA on what are the effects or the negative and positive effects of using technologies in their daily lives. So let's go! Again, it's me Steven and I am with
Danica.
Jake po. And Chris. Celso po pa.
and what's your course?
Best ED Filipino.
BS Ed 1A, major in English.
So,
BS Ed po, major math.
so here's your question. What are the negative and positive effects of using technologies in your daily lives?
First, the positive effect of technology is we can use it to connect to other people and also for entertainment. If you are lonely, you can use technology to have fun and watch videos.
Since I'm a working student, I experience since yung good effect is the online
Yes.
work. That's all.
The positive effects po ang paggamit ng technology in daily life. Mas napapadali po ang pag-uga pong technology, like kapag may gusto kang mahanap sa internet, yaon lang po ang cellphone or anything po.
Easy access information.
Yes po.
I think the positive effects of technology, right, is the advancement of it. So, as a student, we really use it to our daily life to make our homeworks and other activities para mas maging madali yung pag-research namin. And I think
Negative effect of technology is the scam and the cyberbullying.
the negative effects of it is nalilesen na yung physical activity ng student, like palagi na lang gumagamit ng cellphone maghapon, so yung physical activity is hindi na masyadong nagagawa, which is makaka-apekto siya sa health ng isang tao or student. The negative effect of technology is about false information. People can read a false information that can lead them to
Tapos ang negative man po sa siyempre pagiging addiction, like demo na po nagigibo itong mga gigibuhon mo, like sige mo na lang cellphone, garo na arga po, ayan. Yun lang po.